Hey guys, I'm Jo, I'm the millennial knitter, and today I'm doing a little unboxing for you of my latest We Are Knitters yarn stash haul. I decided to treat myself to a little bit more We Are Knitters because I made this Intarsia signage sweater, and purely through my own newness I made a bit of a mistake when I was knitting it and realised that I'd used too much of the Colorado and mustard wool, so I needed to order a few more skeins to finish the project off, which meant I ended up with a couple of skeins left over, which meant I wanted to do something with those. So I started doing that, and I'm going to talk about this jumper in another video, so stick with me if you want to find out a bit more about this. So I started another project, which is this gorgeous, well hopefully it's gorgeous, big shawl collared cardigan. And of course midway through realised, well, I don't have quite enough skeins of Petit wool to finish this. It's got the neon in here, it's got the, I think it's the ivory one in here, and it's got some of the like mustardy colour at the edges. So I was trying to use up scraps, and then I realised I didn't have enough scraps to finish this one. So of course I had to buy more yarn, which I realised is a bit of a thing. And then I could have done the sensible thing and bought just one, which is probably what I needed. I just needed one of the kind of creamy ivory colour to finish things off. But then I thought, well, one's not very economical because you've got to pay postage and all of those kinds of things. So instead I bought 5 because they were on offer as part of a, I think it's one of their weaving kits. So I thought, well, if I buy 5, then that seems to be better value. So no doubt I'll then start another project. I'll have to buy more yarn. So I think yarn buying might be a pyramid scheme. I don't know, what do you guys think? So anyway, here is my lovely box. I'll insert some footage of opening the original package. Inside this kit, this was the, I'll find the proper name and put it in the notes, but inside is 5 of the Petit wool squishy skeins. Ooh, and I've just lost a little cotton guy. The Petit wool is lovely. It's really, really soft. I have noticed a bit of pilling on my jumper, but I'm kind of okay with that. One of the things I love about it is it knits up really fast, and I'm super sensitive to textures, but this feels gorgeous. So I've got one mustardy, one rusty colour, because I might make something for my mum with that one. I've got one of the original ones that I was using for the ribbing, because it's going to have a shawl collar, so I need a bit more of that guy. So that was a legitimate purchase, that one. I've got 2 of the kind of creamy colour. No doubt I'm going to find that the dye lot might be off. This is ivory. The colour for this one is ivory. It's a really lovely kind of off-white cream that to me isn't warm, it's quite neutral, so I quite like that one. It doesn't lean too warm for me. So I've got 2 more of those, which I think should be enough to finish the body and the sleeves of the shawl cardigan that I'm making. And finally another of this gorgeous kind of a rusty brown colour. And then because of the kit that I bought, it was 5 balls and one of these little cotton guys. So I've got this beautiful neon pink cotton. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but having this included somehow made it less expensive, so that's what I went for. Anyway, that's my little unboxing. I'll insert some more clips here. If you've got any questions about the We Are Knitters wool, give me a shout. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks guys, bye.